King Rollo waved goodbye to Cook. Then he and the magician went for a walk in the country. After a while, they met a farmer who was getting ready to eat his lunch. All the farmer had to eat was a loaf of bread. King Rollo wanted to show the farmer how clever his magician was. "Would you like something different to eat?" asked King Rollo. "No, thank you. The bread is fine," said the farmer. "How about roast chicken?" asked King Rollo. "Make the bread change into roast chicken, magician." The magician made a magic spell, and with a flash, turned the bread into roast chicken. "Can I have my bread back, please?" asked the farmer. "What about chocolate cake?" asked King Rollo. "Change the chicken to chocolate cake, magician." The magician made another spell, and the chicken became chocolate cake. "Can I have my bread back, please?" asked the farmer. "I bet you like spaghetti," said King Rollo. Again the magician made a spell. The cake was changed to spaghetti. "Can I have my bread back, please?" asked the farmer. "Ice cream, lovely ice cream," asked King Rollo. Another spell. And this time the spaghetti was changed to ice cream. "Can I have my bread back, please?" asked the farmer. "Look," said King Rollo, "you can have anything you want to eat. What would you really like?" "Just the bread, please. It's delicious. My wife makes it," said the farmer. "Oh, well," sighed King Rollo, "you'd better give him his bread back, magician." With another spell, the magician turned the ice cream back into the bread. By now, all the food had made King Rollo and the magician feel hungry. "Have some bread," said the farmer. "There's plenty here." The bread really was delicious. "Your magician's very clever," said the farmer. "So is your wife," said King Rollo.